I'm so sorry I'm laughing, guys. Sometimes, there's so many scammers on here. There's so many scammers in social media. It is just insane. I just want to go through the first. Yeah, now, I just want to chat with everybody. If you strike up a conversation on social media with somebody and they take you off site, what I mean with that is you go into one of the other platforms in order to have a proper chat. And this person doesn't have a website. You cannot phone them, and there's no support group with whatever they're trying to sell you. You are busy with a scam. And I've picked up a few things. If the lady calls you my dear, my darling, or lovey, you can know for sure you are busy with a scam. I'm smiling because this one was calling me my dear, and yes, reported and had a profile removed. Guys, there's so many people with false things out there. If you want legitimate things, speak to someone that you can actually call with a proper website and a backup support group. Those are the three things that distinguishes scams from people who are doing legitimate business. It's a sad thing that we have to compete with the scammers, and they are making everybody negative. All right, guys, real out.